Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 6 to 10 of exercise 2.1. Question 6. If set A into B has element AX, AY, BX, BY, then find A and B. Since we know first element are always belongs to first set and second element are always belongs to second set, therefore set A include element A and B and set B include element X and Y. Question 7. Let set A having element 1, 2, set B having element 1, 2, 3, 4, set C having element 5, 6 and set D having element 5, 6, 7, 8. Verify that set A multiply by set B intersection C is equal to product of set A into B intersection to the product of set A into C. So first of all, in this case, let's find set B intersection C. We know intersection means common element. Therefore, we can say that set B intersection C is equal to null set, or set B intersection C is equal to empty set. Now, if we multiply set A to set B intersection C, then we will get set A multiplied to the null set. And we know in two set, if any one is null set, then product of two set is always equal to null set. So here we have solved left hand side case. Now in RHS, where A into B is intersection to set A into C. So first of all, in this case, let's find A into B, which is equal to 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4. And similarly, A into C equal to element 1 5, 1 6, 2 5, 2 6. Now here we can see that none of the element is common in both the set. Therefore, product of set A into B intersection to the product of set A into C is equal to null set. Now we have proved LHS is equal to RHS, since both the set are equal to empty set. Second, A into C is the subset of B into D. So first of all, in this case, let's find A into C, which is equal to element 1 5, 1 6, 2 5, 2 6. Similarly, B into D is equal to element 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, 2 5, 2 6, 2 7, 2 8, 3 5, 3 6, 3 7, 3 8, 4 5, 4 6, 4 7, 4 8. Since we can see that all the elements of set A into C are in set B into D, therefore set A into C is the subset of B into D. Question 8. Let set A is equal to element 1 2 and set B is equal to element 3 4. Write A into B and how many subset will set A into B have? In this question, set A is equal to element 1 2 and set B is equal to element 3 4. Therefore, A into B is equal to element 1 3, 1 4, 2 3, 2 4, and hence number of element in set A into B is equal to 4. Now, if any set C having number of element equal to m, then number of element in power set C will equal to 2 to the power m. Therefore, number of subset in set A into B will equal to 2 to the power 4, that is 16, which is 1 3, 1 4, 2 3, 2 4, 1 3, 2 3, 1 3, 2 4 1 3 1 4 1 4 2 3 1 4 2 4 2 3 2 4 1 3 1 4 2 3 1 3 1 4 2 4 1 3 2 3 2 4 1 4 2 3 2 4 and 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. Now if we will see, then we will find there are total 16 elements, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Let A and B be two sets such that number of elements in set A is equal to 3 and number of elements in set B is equal to 2 if element x1, y2, z1 are in set A into B. Then find A and B where x, y, z are distinct elements. It is given that number of elements in set A is equal to 3 and number of elements in set B is equal to 2, and it is also given that element x1, y2, z1 are belongs to set A into B. Now as we know, first element always belongs to first set and second element always belongs to second set. Therefore set A include element x, y, z and set B include element 1, 2, and here it is given that number of element in set A is 3, which is x, y, z, and number of element in set B is 2, which is 1, 2. Hence proved. Question number 10. The Cartesian product A into A has 9 elements, among which are found -1 0 and 0 1. Find the set A and the remaining of set A into A. We know that if number of element in set A is equal to P and number of element in set B is equal to Q, then number of element in set A into B is equal to P into Q. Therefore, in this case, number of element in set A into A is equal to number of element in set A multiplied by number of element in another set A. And it is given that number of element in set A into A is equal to 9. Therefore, we can say that number of element in set A into number of element in another set A is equal to 9. On solving this, we will get number of element in set A is equal to 3, and it is given that -1 0 and 0 1 are 2 of 9 elements of set A into A. Therefore, it is clear that set A include element -1 0 1 since number of element in set A is equal to 3. Therefore, the remaining element of set A into A are -1 -1, -1 1, 0 and -1, 0 and 0, 1 and -1, 1 and 0, 1 and 1.